Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I am going to make the chicken tikka pizza. And I used to have a restaurant for the pizza shop. I already run for 2 years. So I have lots of experience. I make this pizza, chicken tikka pizza. The East Indian people, they like this pizza. So today I am going to share with you. So this is 180 gram chicken breast or small size of the chicken breast. We are making 12 inch of pizza, so don't need that much chicken. So first we'll make the chicken tikka marination. So we'll put the 1 tablespoon yogurt and quarter teaspoon salt and 2 pinch of the kasuri and methi powder and quarter teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon coriander powder and quarter teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. We are making a little spicy, and also we'll put 1 teaspoon oil. So first we'll mix it. So marination is ready, so need to keep it for at least 30 minutes. So it will get all the flavors in the chicken, and see you after 30 minutes. So now we are going to make the pizza dough. So I'm making 12 inch pizza, so I need a 2.5 cup of the all-purpose flour. So we'll put the quarter cup of milk. So milk, if you add, it will give a little bit soft dough, and also whatever the water you need required, this we can add it. So we'll put 1.5 teaspoon yeast. I already put 2 tablespoon warm water. I'll keep it for 2 minutes. So now is ready. So we'll add the yeast. So this is 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar, and we will put 2 tablespoon olive oil. So first we'll mix it. Now we'll put the water slowly, whatever we need. We have to make the dough not too hard, not too soft, in medium. So we'll sprinkle little water, then we'll mix it. So dough is ready. Now I'll put some oil on top, little bit, like 1 tablespoon. So now this one transfer to the small bowl. We'll cover it with the film, and we'll keep it for 1 hour 20 minutes. Warm place. If you are living in cold area, so better put it in the microwave. This is the safest place, and it will be keep warm, and keep it for 1 hour 20 minutes. So let's go for the cooking the chicken. So now time to put the 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste on the pan. I already preheated the pan for the medium heat, and already put 1 tablespoon oil. So now we have to little bit saute. Now I put the temperature on medium. Now I put the chicken. So we need to cook for another 10 minutes for the chicken. So chicken is ready, and I like to tell you something special. If you put the less oil, and what happened, and after that you have to flip it and little bit press it, then it will be see the mark comes up on the top, then that way you will get the more flavor for the chicken tikka flavor. So this is the process, just press it and it will be like a mark comes. So now it's ready, we will keep it for cool down, then after that I will start making pizza. So pizza dough is ready. It took me like a 1 hour 20 minutes, so it's already ready. You can see it's become a double size. Now you have to press it, take off all the earrings from inside. So need to, any surface you are making, just little bit oil, wipe it, and also pizza tray I already wiped with some oil, so you need that. So need to make the round shape now. You have to beat it because there is still some air. You have to press it and take it out. First little bit spread it with hand, then after that you can use it as a roller. Without roller you can also make the pizza bread like this, spread everywhere, but I will show you. Try to make because we are using roller, because we have to make the shape like equal size everywhere. So now we'll take the dough and put in the pan. So now you can spread it little. Put the finger like this and it go everywhere around the tray. You can press from the middle also little. If you see anywhere is little bit thick, then you can just press it and bring it to the end of the edge of the tray. And also make little bit press here, it will be make your shape little bit thicker to the end, and I can feel here is little bit more thick, so I have to bring it here this side. Press it little bit. This side has come out a little bit. Now you can put the finger like this at the end around the tray. Then it will make your shape same like a store pizza. So now we have to put some like make it like this, because you have to make the hole, otherwise when your pizza goes to the oven then it will bubble start on the middle, so that's not good. So you can use this one also if you want, you have it, or use the fork is better. So now today I am going to use the, instead of the pizza sauce, I have some leftover. Yesterday I make the butter chicken for my kids. So because when I make for myself, I use the butter sauce for the on the top, on the paste. So now if you don't have a butter sauce, then you can use the regular pizza sauce, that's okay. Or if you want to see the how I make the butter sauce, I'll give you the link. It's very easy, it's not too headache, it takes 20 minutes. Otherwise you don't have butter sauce, you can use it just regular pizza sauce. So I'll put that in the middle, then we'll slowly spread like this. We don't have to put too much sauce, that's no good. So now first we'll put the cheese. We'll be using mozzarella cheese. So I'm using little bit extra cheese today. So now we'll put some vegetables. I have some onions, green pepper, mushroom and olives. And also I'll put some fresh green chili for spiciness. If you don't want it too spicy, then you can don't use it. So first we'll put the onions. Okay, now we'll put the chicken. So now I'll put some chili, green chili. And also we'll sprinkle some chili flakes. So now I'll put the cheese on top. So topping is ready. Now I'll put some on top, little bit chili flakes again. So I already preheated the oven for the last 30 minutes. It's already running. So I'll put the temperature on 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes because this is lots of cheese. So you can see 200 degrees Celsius is ready. You need to warm up at least half an hour ago, then pizza will be nice. So pizza has been cooking for the last 23 minutes. So now I have to turn off the gas. So now it's ready. You can see how it look like. It's look beautiful, beautiful. And also I can feel the smells. Okay, I need good gloves. Because I put lots of cheese. So now I can see how it looks like.